Okay, so hello everyone. This is Team Komorebi, and this is our presentation for Smart India Hackathon 2025. We are working on a problem statement for telemedicine access for rural healthcare in Nabha, which is a district in Punjab, and we are going to discuss whatever the medical condition is over there. Our theme will be in medtech, healthcare, and biotech. Our category will be in the software category. So let's continue further. uh, First, let's discuss the problem. There is a district called Nabha. There is hospital over there, but it is a dependency for many villages, over 150 villages. Many people have to rely on that, and it becomes an issue when there are doctors not available. Let's say somebody wants to go there and have some medical attention for some certain diseases which only a certain doctor can help with, but this is not always feasible because he might have some other work, so he has to go. So the person who was trying to get medical attention over there has to go back and come again the next time. This cycle repeats for many people, and it is very stressful, it is very economically straining. We do not really want that in ideal situation. So to help with that, we are coming up with a solution which solves mostly all those issues which rural people are facing with getting medical attention to themselves, right? So one of them being getting symptom diagnostic from their home, so that whatever the medical condition they are facing, they can get some instant feedback on that. Apart from that, you can query whether the doctor is in his working status or not, he is on duty or not, so that before going to seek for medical attention, you can just verify it via SMS and stuff like that. And medicine availability status is what we are trying to offer. So what we can do with this is that let's say you want to check whether you have this medicine available or not in this pharmacy. So this becomes an issue when you have to get that medicine and you have to go check it again and again whether the medicine has come or not, in case the medicine is not there. So it is also creating the same issue that we discussed with the doctor one, right? From the technical approach, this is our solution is mostly event driven, right? So it is we have an event driven architecture for it. There is a pub sub service which we will run through RabbitMQ. A simple queue will run over there, and what we are having for the SMS services is Twilio. So when a patient want to send SMS, whatever he wants to do, he has to communicate via us through a Twilio service, which is technically just going to take SMS to a certain phone number, virtual phone number, and that will be directed to our backend, right? So from there the data comes to our message broker. From the message broker it comes to our backend, where it will be getting processed procedurally, and we will just send those data to AI and whatever we want to do to attain what we want to do. Moving forward to feasibility and viability, we are trying to implement a very feasible solution with this, with such that let's say you want to send a message and all those stuff. You expect some kind of latency, right? Whether it is 10 second, 20 second. So performance does not really matter that much in these cases, right? How fast you get it, but the thing is you have to get it right. So even with low cost we can manage stuff, and other things are mostly technical related things for model accuracy and stuff. Apart from that, we are trying to keep the interface as much as possible towards the regional languages, so that it is very easy for local people to read it, to understand it, as well as we are trying to implement it certain voiceover stuff, so that even if someone is not able to read a language, he can or she can understand it from voices, right? Impact and benefit: it will impact end-to-end healthcare because of the mobile application features. Reduces workload on doctors as well, because mostly the things will be automated and the appointments will be automated, right? Apart from that, there will not be any wasted medical trips, like someone is going and he's not able to get healthcare, and he has to go again and again. So that will be good, as it will reduce the financial cost, financial strain. And apart from that, from the ecosystem of the healthcare side, digital prescription will be there, so that will be really nice. Even if you have to go from one hospital to another hospital, or one doctor to another hospital, you don't really have to carry that hard copy with yourself, right? So all those things are really nice. And apart from that, again, it is very automated, right? So things will be a little bit easier for hospitals and user to use. So yeah, these are some research and references which we took as our example, and like things we learned from. So yeah, that's it for our team. Thank you